Morning, family. It's Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. I'm just outside with the birds. I did my shopping yesterday to get enough feed to start building my feed stuff. Well, building my feed back up. Just give you a little bit of what I'm working with. I know every area has different feed that you can get. Some people have the Mar-a-Lago, all different kind of stuff. Me, I use this feed called Knockout. I use pure grain. I do use whole corn. I mix with pellets. And I use just like the Walmart as a filler. And then I use this kind of like, it's like a little treat on the inside. Let me see if I can block out the sun. Yeah. It has, you can see black sunflower seeds, safflower, sunflower seeds. It's got peanuts. And then I use this kind of shell-free stuff that I get from Aldi's. It's only 5 pounds, but it's got, you can see the sunflower seeds, peanuts, and safflower, and the little parakeet treats. And then I'll mix everything and go into the 35-pound trash can. I think that's 35 or 50, I don't know. And then I also use it to fill up this one, and then I'll use it to fill up these that I keep separate, so that I don't have to keep coming to the trash can every morning. Okay, and then there's my grit. So I'm gonna get ready to get started. Just want to give you a little rundown on what I'm doing on that end. Okay, on my young birds, I was just about to take the little averette down, but everybody was in it. I fed them yesterday, but I gave them a light feed. Right now, these doors open towards me. This door open towards me. I'm gonna fix this door to open that way, so that both doors, when I open them, they're open wide, just in case I want to rush the birds out. Of course, the old birds right there, and the young birds. The young birds, I got 34 total right now, and the ones with the green band, let me see if I can get them in there pretty good. Green band birds have been in here for a short period of time. I moved 2 of the birds from that section over there. I had 2 over there, so I moved them into here. One of them I put the green snap band on, and the other one I forgot. Whatever. But they can do what they want to do, but I'm getting ready to just take the top off so that they can come out. It is a little windy. One bird already came out, do whatever they want to do. Let me see if that's my little buddy. I don't know, I can't tell. I think it is. He just comes out just about every time I open the door. All right, so let's get him out. Yeah, that's my little buddy up there. So I'm going, even though the birds been over here for one day, I think it's enough birds in here that they can follow them to get back in. I'm gonna leave the trap open as well and not the bars down, just so that they can get comfortable. I'll be in the backyard for a few hours doing the feed and everything, so we'll just see how it goes. Okay, I put some water in their bowls for if they want to take baths. The other bird already came down. It went in, it's right there on the edge. Let's just let everybody out. I'll give them a little time to come out, and then I'll just hit record again. So I do have 34 birds. I wanted to repeat that. 34 young birds. I got them just using the door for now. Anything to get them all out. And I'm not really worried about. I let the live trap down so it don't make a loud noise. I don't know if you can see from here, but inside the loft is a blackbird. Yeah, maybe you can see him. That one I just moved over yesterday. He looked like he don't want to come out, but they can do what they want to do right now. We're gonna see how they work it. Also meant to say it's a windy day. See the trees blowing. I do know that these birds are strong on the wing, so I don't think the wind is going to be a big factor right this minute. So we're just going to let it rock. Now I know everybody makes their food different, but I'm just going to show you how Ham's Loft does it. I usually use one of these, a cup, and a small cup. I take one of these, pure grain, two knockout, one thing of corn, my filler, little canary treats, and 1 cup of this. And last but least, my pellets. I use big tubs so I can mix them better. Then I take it from here and carry it over to my trash can. That's just how Ham's Loft does it. Got a few outside. Nothing too much in the inside, but after I get done doing the feed, I'm just gonna walk inside and walk them out. Got a little bath going on. I got some of the other ones over there. I had to feed it, probably some kernels fell on the ground. A couple on the roof. No major events, just doing their thing. Well, you can see they all just lounging around. Gonna go ahead and try to get them in. I'm gonna go over, let the trap down, and then I'll start calling all of them in. Quite a few over there. If you notice, I do let down the barbs, but while they're just training, I do every other bob. It's just so that they'll bump into the wire when they're going in and out so that they don't get scared. And then later I'll drop the bobs completely down once I got them out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get them in. And I did use 2 feeder trays now instead of one, just so that they're not on top of each other. Somebody suggested that. Good idea. Why not use it? We'll work on using the trap. Someone went through the door, someone went through the trap. So we'll just see how it works out. Thank everybody for watching, comment, subscribe. Shouts out to my Hawaiian family. Sean with Aloha Pigeons, Antonio, and 808 Sunrise Loft. Dominique on the Big Island. Peace.